A lot of people wonder, how insurance works when it comes to a roof. A lot of confusion regarding it. That being said, it is very similar to a car. Like everyone's very familiar, your car gets old, breaks down, that's not something insurance is gonna cover. When it comes to your roof, it right in the same vein, just because the roof becomes old, starts to break down, that isn't going to get an insurance claim. However, what they cover is actual storm-related damage. So it's very similar to how a car, if you get in an accident, then it's something that they actually cover. Same thing happens with the roof. So if there's a hailstorm or a windstorm or anything storm-related, and that causes damage to the roof, that's actually going to be what's covered by the insurance. It comes down to functional damage, right? They're going to be looking for things like bruising from hail. They'll be looking for things like, damage that could be from wind actually tearing up shingles and exposing different areas, things that can actually cause issues with the roof. So there's really no magic number when it comes to the amount of hail strikes or bruises on a roof to actually ensure you get an insurance claim approved. What it really comes down to is the type of damage, right? Like how severe the hail strikes, have they actually exposed the mat so the granules are gone in those different areas. Sometimes a tree may come down, branches, things like that may hit the home and cause different types of damage as well. This is why it's really important to have somebody who's a trained professional come out to the home and actually inspect the roof so they can work with your insurance provider to ensure that you actually get the coverage that you need.